To say that Huawei is a big deal in the smartphone market is nothing short of an understatement, but despite the company's unquestionable international success, to say nothing of its recent market growth, it's been slow to use that momentum to create a strong US presence. That situation's beginning to change, at what feels like a glacial pace, and not just for the main Huawei name. The company's also turning the spotlight on some of its sub-brands, and today we're taking a look at the latest as it gets ready to make its US retail debut, the dual-camera equipped stylish Honor 8. In the box. Honor 8. USB Type-C to standard A cable. Fast charging adapter. Warranty card. SIM tool. If there's one feature that stands out on the Honor 8, the first one you show your friends when bragging about your new phone, it's going to be its dual rear cameras. Just like the Huawei P9, we are looking at a pair of 12MP sensors, one used mainly for gathering color information, and one for gathering luminance data, brightness. Both have an f/2.2 aperture, and while the whole setup lacks the Leica branding of the P9, an arrangement that attracted a fair amount of speculation over the extent of Leica's true involvement, the hardware sure sounds like essentially the same camera we got there.